Hello everyone and welcome to 3411 Heaven Media. Today we'll be taking a look at the Reolink Argus 3 outdoor wireless security camera. This is a hassle-free, easy to install outdoor wireless security camera that will help you protect your home. Could this be the best cheap spotlight security camera on the market? Well, stick around for our comprehensive Reolink Argus 3 security camera review, and at the end of the video I'll be talking about how this cam compares to the Arlo Essential Spotlight as well as the Eufy Cam 2C. The Reolink Argus 3 is available on Amazon, link in the description below. While it is highly affordable, it is also highly functional. This is a 1080p wireless security camera that shoots in 15 frames per second and features black and white as well as color night vision, and to top it all off, 2 LED spotlights on the top. All those things combined can help you rest assured that day or night you will be able to see the thief, dog, whoever with this security camera. Inside the box, you not only get this security camera, but also 2 different ways that you can mount it. One is a magnetic mount that I have installed now, and the other is a screw-in mount. In addition, there is a micro USB cable for charging, and you do have the option to order a solar panel if you never want to have to charge this. We use it on our Argus PTZ, and it works great. The actual outside of this camera is plastic, but don't let that fool you. This is IP67 rated and can withstand some pretty harsh weather conditions. While I haven't had this one outside, we have previously reviewed the Reolink Argus 2 as well as the Reolink PTZ. Both of those cameras have survived a Wisconsin winter, which, if you don't know, is very cold and bad. I'm confident that this camera can survive that too. To get this camera set up, you do have to start by downloading the Reolink app. And while I'm not going to outline that process specifically in this video, I will have our video for the Reolink Argus 2 where I outline the exact same process. To actually give you a full sense of how this camera performs, I put a mount up right there so that you can see the same shot that our studio camera does. Let me just throw this over there. So now that you have your camera hooked up, what does it look like from inside the app? You can take a look at my app where I have multiple cameras hooked up, but the one that we want to look at today is the Argus 3. Within the app, we can pause and start the stream. Additionally, we can toggle if we want to hear sound or not, and it is... Yeah, we're not gonna mess with that. You can snap pictures to your camera roll from the camera button, and those will save on your device. And last but not least, we can record video, which I will start recording now so that you can compare how it looks from our camera, which is filming in 4K at 30 frames a second, and the security camera, which is filming in 1080p at 15 frames a second. We can also toggle if we want to talk to someone who is on the other end of the camera. So right now I will try talking. Hello, why are you on my porch? And while you only got to hear the camera briefly there, I will say it is a bit terrifying and a bit tinny sounding when you're talking through your phone and the camera. Either way, if someone's at your porch, they'll be able to tell what you're saying and you can have a conversation with them if you're not comfortable going outside. With the talk button on the bottom, we can also look at our clips as well as playback, but I will show you more of that when we go into the cloud functionality that is included for free with your camera purchase. If you only have one Reolink camera, they give you a basic cloud plan that is free that will take clips that your camera has captured throughout the day. No need to install an SD card, but if you would like, there is an SD card slot on the camera as well. Looking towards the top right of the screen, we have the ability to toggle on and off our spotlight, as well as trigger a siren. We can look at information like battery life. This does have a 5400 milliamp hour battery on board that's charged via micro USB cable. They say this will last about 6 months on standby, but if the camera is being triggered frequently, that battery life would be lower. I'd say you'll probably end up charging this every 3 months. But for those of you who don't want to charge, I would highly recommend getting this solar panel kit with this camera. We have the solar panel linked to our Argus 2 as well as the PTZ, and it is great. I haven't had to touch those cameras since I hung them up. We can turn on and off PIR motion sensing. This camera does detect a car versus a human versus just motion, and it will say that in your push notifications. Push notifications, you can toggle those here as well. I will say that if you don't have the sensitivity right on the motion sensing, you will get a lot of unnecessary push notifications. Under the advanced options, we can change our device password. They do have a password on them, so anyone who just scans the QR code on the back can't connect up to your camera, which is good. And also play with the settings for the spotlight, infrared lights, and the status LED. Let's test out something fun, night vision. Okay. Wow. Okay. That's pretty cool, not gonna lie. Those are really bright. So if you hadn't noticed, all the lights are off. The LEDs on that sucker are very bright and they just turned off. So let's see if I can trigger them again. Yep, there we go. They are very bright and now you can see me in colored night vision. Colored night vision only works really well when there is some form of light. It does not work if it's just totally dark out. So as you can see, once the LEDs turn off, it automatically goes to black and white mode, which allows you to see my silhouette, more than my silhouette, I would say, but you can see me move around. If I start moving more, the LEDs turn back on. Overall, pretty impressed with how this night vision performs, especially when it's paired with the LEDs. Now that the lights are turned back on, let's talk about some last minute functionality. We do have digital zoom, not physical zoom. There is 6x digital zoom, so you can zoom in on your subject, or in this case, my forehead, and that looks like way more than 6x digital zoom. Additionally, this camera is compatible with your Google Home as well as Amazon Alexa. It is Amazon certified, says it on the Amazon ad, cool beans. And now for the moment you have all been waiting for. Is this truly the best cheap spotlight security camera on the market? Well, I've done some research for this video. The Eufy Cam 2C is the comparable product from Eufy for an outdoor wireless security camera that features an LED spotlight as well as black and white night vision and colored night vision. But the differences are that the Eufy Cam does have local storage. This does not. You have to put in your own SD card if you would like. But Reolink does include free cloud storage, which gives you 1 GB of storage for 30 days. You can renew it every 30 days to store all your clips. The Eufy Cam 2C does need a home base, which is an extra expense. This can stand alone and doesn't require any other smart devices to function. The Eufy Cam 2C is more expensive, at least as of now, and I did not see a solar panel option for the Eufy Cam 2C. Moving on then to the Arlo Essential Spotlight. While it does have comparable specs to this camera, the differences that I see are that the Arlo Essential Spotlight is more expensive, and if you would like to get the solar panel kit with that one, they do offer it, it is more expensive as well. So if you're looking for something cheap that still functions and don't have any bias towards brand, I would definitely check out the Reolink Argus 3. If you have any questions that we didn't answer in this video, please ask those down below in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, found it helpful, don't forget to drop a like in it and click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content. If you'd like to purchase, we'll have it linked below. That's all I have for today, folks. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bird out.